Hey guys, it's the Average Joe, back with another video. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to be looking at a little bit of some EDC for you guys today. I currently use on my keys, specifically we're going to be looking at key organizer. Right now what I'm using on my keys is the Orbitkey organizer. So this is basically it. So a few years ago, they came out with an all blackout edition key ring. It's leather, and this is it, right? Orbitkey. It's been used for a few years. I've been throwing it around, roughing it up pretty good, and it's held up really well actually. I'm very happy with it. So I have this, and then I have their little key ring right here in black as well. So this is what I've been using the last couple of years. And I've been loving it, but recently they came out with a newer version, I guess, of this, but they released it as a bundle this time. It's called the Black Edition bundle, and right now it is a limited release. They have it in 3 different variants, and today that's what we're going to look at, right? I have all 3 variants right here. You can see it's blackout, the Black Edition with the multi-tool version 2, which is pretty cool. I like how they bundled together. So we have the Saffiano, the Cactus, and the Crazy Horse. The Crazy Horse is probably going to be my favorite one because that's right here. It's the most simplest one. So I'm going to kind of go through all 3 of them and kind of just compare and contrast, just so you know what they look like. So there's 2 ways to open this. You can either slide this part up or slide it down. So I'm just gonna do that for simplicity's sake. So we got the Crazy Horse, Saffiano, and we got the Cactus. So when we look at these 3, you can see that they're different, right? The Crazy Horse has a more plain Jane kind of black leather texture to it, if you look at it right here. The Saffiano looks a little bit more fancy, a little more luxury to it. And the Cactus has the more traditional kind of pebbled leather look to it. So yeah, these are all 3. I'm just gonna get these 2 out of the frame and go work on this one. Now when you look at the box, see here it just shows you, you know, the key organizer, the multi-tool, and then when we look at this, you see that embossing looks pretty cool. On the back, it tells you just a little thing here for you guys to read. It has a 2-year warranty. I've used a warranty on my old one before because I dropped it once, and this little locking mechanism, actually, the stem kind of just broke off. So thankfully, they're really cool about it, and they just sent me out a new set. A new set of these, by the way, not the whole thing, but yeah. So anyway, when you unbox it, you'll see this little flap right here. You just want to lift it up, and this is kind of latched down, so you want to slide it up a little bit, or you just pull this out, and you'll see how it's kind of on there. So you kind of want to just pull it out, and here you have like a little stopper thing, I guess, that you use for the keys, so the keys don't get stripped. And then you put this open. This is the multi-tool. Now the multi-tool is pretty cool. I have this generic one from Keyport. That's from Amazon that I use. It's been good. I've enjoyed it a lot. I liked it because of this part, but I honestly don't need it as much as I thought I did. So when they started bundling this together with the multi-tool version 2, made me more happy. So you got like this little rough kind of filing thing here. And then you have the Orbitkey branding, the ruler, the bottle opener right here, and like kind of use this, I guess, to open boxes, and also as a flathead screwdriver when you need it. So what I'm going to do is kind of put my key set together. Guys, yeah, I do like EDC, so if you want to see more stuff outside of just tablet and phone and other tech accessories, please subscribe, like, and comment below. What kind of key organizer do you like? You know, do you like Orbitkey? Do you like the one from Bellroy? Or if there's something different, let me know. So maybe I'll check it out as well. So yeah, so I got it unscrewed. So I have my keys here. Mainly the only keys I really use are for my condo. Yeah, so yeah, it's a lot of keys, right? So I'll put that down. This one is mainly for main entrance, the main door. Then I'm gonna put this in the middle to kind of divvy it up a little bit. This is my mailbox key, and this is for something else that I don't remember, and I forgot to put the little key stoppers in, so I'm going to start over. Sorry. Put that in, put this in, and let's get it going again. Try to do this on camera. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. Do this. Put this little guy on. Actually, what might be easy, what's easier actually to do is taking the other part, putting it in, and doing this. I swear this isn't as hard as it looks. I'm just kind of struggling a little bit trying to do this on camera. So once we got it on, we want to twist it. And there's a point when you're screwing this in, there's a point where you know it's done because it'll start to click. So it's not like a very loud audible click, but you'll hear I don't know if you heard that. You hear that click, right? That lets you know it's pretty much done. Or there's different levels of tightness, so that's, I guess, one level that I did. Maybe I'll do one more. You heard that click, right? That makes it a little tighter, a little more rough for this to slide around. But yeah, so there's that. And then got this little D-ring. I'm gonna put this on, put my car key on, and then I'm gonna put my little Apple AirTag on, and then close it up. There we go. All right, so yeah, I mean, this is the Crazy Horse leather, the Saffiano leather, and then we got the cactus leather. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, subscribe if you like this stuff. I'll have these linked below. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more EDC stuff. Also, let me know, key organizers, what do you guys use? What do you guys like? Let me know. All right, guys, take it easy. Bye.